Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of This versus That with the DSEC Lab. Today we are going to be discussing the difference between the terms encode and decode. In the context of nonverbal communication, encode means to express, send, produce, or convey a nonverbal emotional expression. An example would be making a sad facial expression or saying the sentence, "Let's talk about it," with a sad tone of voice. In the context of nonverbal communication, decode means to interpret, perceive, recognize, or identify the nonverbal emotional expression of another person. An example in real life would be decoding or identifying the nonverbal emotional expression of someone else in an emotion recognition task. But why does any of this matter? Well, research shows that the ability to accurately encode nonverbal emotional expressions is super important in forming healthy social relationships. For example, the better someone is at encoding their nonverbal emotional expressions, the more likely they are to make a positive first impression. The ability to accurately decode the emotions of another person is also super important. For example, a person's emotional intelligence, defined as their ability to manage their own emotions, is positively associated with a person's ability to accurately decode facial emotional expressions. That means that higher emotional intelligence is associated with a faster, more accurate recognition of facial emotional expressions. Although the process of encoding and decoding emotions are different, they're both important for facilitating successful social interactions and communication. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and see you next time.